using word is only way of learning vocabulary. If we use in the conversation, if we just know and we don't use in our conversation, so we can't improve vocabulary. So I try to use those words in my conversation.
Very good, very good, very good. Soda and detergent and in boiling water, and I would really rub it. Nothing happened. Then I realized that it is
like chapati, tea leaves, black color. So they also use after straining the tea, use the waste tea in as agriculture purpose. So that is also a good.
Hello. We are meeting first time now?
Yeah, we are meeting first time. Yeah.
Rakesh, I'm Sabina from Delhi. And yeah, right now I'm just a freelancer, but earlier I've worked for a long time as a teacher and as an airline staff, Air India, Delhi.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. So tell me about yourself.
So can you hear me? Yes. So first of all, can you hear me? Yes. So my name is Rakesh and I am from Ahmedabad in Gujarat. And I have been working professionally in chemical company as environmental executive.
Okay. Environmental executive.
Yes, environmental executive.
So what exactly are you doing?
Yeah, I am in the ETP department, so it is related to managing wastewater. So we have different kind of treatment. So according to parameter, as it is tested, so on the base of that, we provide the treatment to the wastewater.
So like water, is it water, wastewater?
Yeah, wastewater, and then it is used for recycle in agriculture or cooling tower.
Okay. Good. So are you in the government job or private?
No, in private, but we have to report to the government.
Okay. All right. And what else? What are your likes and dislikes, your favorite food, your favorite places?
Everything I like. In food, I like normal like spicy food, but don't like sweet food. I don't like dessert.
You don't like sweets?
Few dessert, yeah. I don't like sweet, but few sweets I like rasgulla, and not rasgulla, like gulab jamun. And apart from that, like kaju katri, it is famous in here, Gujarat. So yeah.
Okay. And you are born and brought up in Ahmedabad?
Yes. I was born and brought up in Ahmedabad.
And how many sessions have you taken with Clapingo?
I think it has been, I have taken more than 80 sessions.
More than?
80. I think it is 81 sessions.
Wow.
Yes, 80.
How do you see yourself from the first session till now?
In first session, because it is video call, so I was a bit nervous in the first session, but now I feel confident while I speak in English. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Rakesh, do you also read?
Yes, sometimes I read, but to be honest with you, because I don't have that much time nowadays, so I don't read. But sometimes I read articles, as I prefer reading on. There is one website. Its name is Ingo Daily News. So I get different articles, different kind of articles worldwide. So I just read on that.
What is the name of the app?
It is not app, but it is a website. Its name is Ingo Daily News. Ingo Daily News. So it has been it is also helpful for me to improve my reading skill, improve my spoken English, because I also get different kind of vocabulary, different words on that app, and with its meaning, with their meaning. Yes. I read to improve, and apart from that, I try to use the words which I get from that. So I try to use those words in my conversation to improve my English. Because using word is only way of learning vocabulary. If we use in the conversation, if we just know and we don't use in our conversation, so we can't improve vocabulary. So I try to use those words in my conversation.
Very good, very good, very good. And so you note down those words?
Yeah, I just note down in English to English. I don't translate it in Hindi or any other language. I just write it similar word in English. So I exactly get similar words, and also I use it vice versa.
Okay. And what about today's topic, then, life hacks? Do you know what hack?
Hacks means as I gone through, I went through the topic. So it is kind of like activities, doing the activities in the short manner or in shortcut or like any other way, so that in a simple manner, so that it seems easy to do. So that is how I went through the session, but I could not get like in the depth. So that's the thing I knew.
Yeah, it is any skill, any shortcuts to make any work easier or shorter. That is what it means. Yes.
Yeah. I have watched few videos on YouTube as well, like related to hacks, life hacks, all those things. So I am a bit familiar with that. But if you also share your experience, then it will be better for me to understand the topic. Yeah.
Yeah. So I also sometimes we look for these home remedies for cleaning purpose. Few months back, I was using this to clean my strainer, tea strainer. I would always, Rakesh, get those stainless steel strainers. They were more expensive, but I thought, no, they'll be better. And they were at least 4 times the price of normal plastic ones. And I tried, but they would get the mesh would get so dirty sometimes and rusted.
Yeah.
And I kept trying this remedy at home. So using baking soda and detergent and in boiling water, and I would really rub it. Nothing happened. Then I realized that it is better to get those plastic strainers, which are much cheaper, and use 2 months use and then throw and get new ones, rather than struggling with this, which is more expensive also, and it gets rusted very fast.
Yes. So and I think sense can be. Yeah. Please go on. Sorry.
Some
please
of
continue.
the hacks are useful, but some are, I think, just put up on YouTube.
Yeah. It is just for the sake of just getting more views. They put it. Waste tea, like chapati, tea leaves, black color. So they also use after straining the tea, use the waste tea as agriculture purpose. So that is also a good hack.
Yes.
I have seen few people do it. So it is used for the agriculture purpose. If you have garden, so you can use that thing as agriculture purpose.
Even these, these eggshells, after boiling eggs, we can use the eggshells also, put it in water, and after 3-4 days, strain that water and put it in the plants.
Okay. That is also eggshells. Okay. It is also used.
Eggshells, and of course, all these things,
food waste.
Peeling of
peels of banana.
Yeah, peels of banana. Potatoes.
Yeah, potato.
Any vegetable peel. Actually, any vegetable peel.
Yes. use it, use as a agriculture. And we can also do one thing, as you were giving me example about the strainer, steel strainer. So I think it can also the stain can be removed just by boiling. If we insert it in the boiling water, so the stainers can be removed, because boiled water gives more. Boiled water is more effective
I
to remove
tried
stain.
that. Rakesh, I tried that
Mm-hmm.
only. I put a lot of like baking soda, detergent, vinegar in boiling
Okay.
water, and I put
Mm-hmm.
the strainers in that. Came to the conclusion that it is better to buy these plastic strainers, use and
Mm.
throw. They are much cheaper also.
Yes, 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 yes.
Like they are
Yeah,
for
it can
10,
be done.
20 rupees, and that is for 100 rupees.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes.
That is the difference.
As
I
I have seen, that is why I just gave. But you already did it, so yeah, understood.
tried it.
Okay.
But otherwise, this baking soda and vinegar, detergent, it's very good for cleaning some other things
Yes, yes.
like the taps and all.
Yeah, yeah.
What else?
I have also seen few video, like few hacks make home, like just for playing purpose, just by cardboard, like as we purchase something like shoes or that. So it has a like a cover or like cardboard it used to pack all those things. So cardboard, by cardboard we used to make a home and all those things. Like just for the kids, as I was a kid, so with the some other people I used to do. So that was also that experience I have. Yeah.
And also, I always felt that when I was studying, to make these short notes, it
Mm.
made it easier to concentrate, to remember things, and sometimes use colored pencil for some points.
Yes, yes. So often, just on which thing, like noting down on which thing.
No, any topic that we were doing, especially in science, if we made these short notes, and these days, of course, it's very common in schools is mind mapping. Did you do in mind mapping in school?
Hmm.
You know, the center
Mind mapping in
topic,
school.
it is very good.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you can
So
use
just
different color
you
pencil.
for highlighting purpose.
Highlighting and even mind mapping, it makes it a little more appealing to the eye, and then you can remember more.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, I do. When I
Yeah.
read, if I come across new words or important topics, so just I highlight it by highlighter.
So you have got a separate notebook for your vocabulary?
Yeah, I got 3, 4 notebook for my vocabulary, but I think just noting it down is not uh, enough. Filled 4 or 5 notebooks, but even after filling it, I am not able to use all those words. So
No,
I am
but
focusing right now on
Rakesh, but are
yes.
you after filling it every day just go through few words, no? On
Mm.
that website you read some articles. So try to write those articles after reading 2, 3 times same article. Then you try to write it in your own words, shorter
Mm-hmm.
version, a summary of
Yes,
that
yes,
article. Try to write in your
yes,
own
yes.
words using the words, the new words that you have found out.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely I will.
You are like in a t-shirt. It's not cold there.
No, no, it is normal. And although the winter is approaching, but it is normal temperature. A bit in the early in the morning, we feel like
Yeah.
a cold.
Early
But
morning,
right
yes.
now, as it is 12 o'clock in the noon, so it is okay. Yeah.
So you are
So I think
work.
in Delhi it is called cold.
No, Delhi also afternoon is okay. Night and morning are cold.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, same. In night or in morning, it is cold.
Yeah. So now I started going for a walk at this time. Like I just came back after walk. I don't go early
Oh,
morning. Otherwise, I
good
go.
exercise.
I used to go early morning. Now I've stopped going.